Do you know why you are not succeeding? This is the reason. 1. Premature announcement. You see, many of us, we have been dreamers. We have been dreaming about doing very big things in this world. Wengine wetu tunatamani tu kufanya vitu ambavyo they are very extraordinary. See that we don't have the capacity to do them. We have the capacity, we have the effort, we have the stamina to do anything. Lakini kwa nini hatufanyi? Why do we just start and fail? Ama kwa nini hatuanzishi hata baada ya kuiongelea sana? This is the reason we announce very fast. Kabla kitu itokee, ushasema, ushatangaza, ushapost kwa mtandao. Sijui nini, sijui nini, sijui nini. My friend, let me tell you, if you have such character, you will never grow. You will never succeed. You will never do anything and get done. That's where your destiny is blocked. Hapo ndo maadui wanajua siri zako. And the devil cannot fight what he don't know. Bible says, he came to destroy, to steal, and to kill. So the devil cannot kill, destroy, and steal what he doesn't have, or what he is not aware about it. So make sure you keep secret about your things. You secure your goal. You secure your private agenda. Hizi vitu za kutembea tu, everybody, you want to announce to everybody. Hata umepata mimba last week, you are already telling us you have pregnancy. We shall talk about that pregnancy, and you get that pregnancy get terminated. Then still you will be walking around telling us about Satan. Yet we are the one who provoked that pregnancy to get out. So be careful about what you announce. Who do you announce to? Where do you announce to? Be careful, because all of us, we are not equal. All of us, we are not going to the same direction. All of us, we are not thinking the same thing. Some of us just hope that you fail. Some of us just hope that you die. Some of us think that making it is our threat to us. So be careful about what you announce. Who do you announce to, and where do you announce? Even in the church, you believe in the church there are holy people. No. Even in the bar, there are many holy people than in the church. Because in the church is where many people have gathered, but the spirit of evil is surrounding them. Wewe utaenda pale, you tell them about your business. God has helped me about making it in business. I have started just a business last week. Then all of a sudden your business collapse. Then you come and tell us in the church, in the same church, that the devil was just jealous about me. I failed, my business failed terribly. Now I don't know what God has in me. You are the problem. You announced to the church, but you believed that the church is where people can announce their progress. No. So whenever you want to do anything, whenever you want to join politics, whenever you want to learn, to go to study, you want to go to campus, you want to do any business, unataka kwenda ngambo, unataka kuoa, unataka kuoleka, unataka kufanya any kind of things, please keep that secret to yourself until immature. Don't tell us, because once you tell me about your things, nitaanza kuiongelea. And once I share, mimi nitaenda kuambia rafiki yangu, unajua fulani anataka kuanzisha biashara. Alafu wewe rafiki yangu aniambie, amekuwa akiongelea hiki kitu kwa muda mrefu hajawahi fanya. Hiyo sasa leo ndo atafanya. Wewe umjui wa mtu. Hata afanyangi kila anasema. Ana cloud chase tu. You see? So people talking about your things in a negative way attract your failures. I think hiyo mnaipata vizuri. Thing number 2 is believing that you can do it. That's a problem. You see, some of us tunafikiria kwamba hatukuumbwa kufanikiwa. My friend, tumeumbwa with a reason, with a purpose. Mimi mtu asitoke huko kuniambia vile nafaa kukaa, vile nafaa kuishi. Kama yeye angezaliwa na mimi nisizaliwe, dunia ingeendelea. Na kama ningezaliwa yeye akose kuzaliwa, nani angekuja kuniadvise? So don't be so easily advised by people na mnafuata tu, as if you don't believe in yourself. Hizi some of us hata hatujiamini, hata hatujui hata tutafanikiwa. Yani tunafikirianga tu sisi tulizaliwa kusaidiwa. My friend, let me tell you, it is you and yourself. It is you and your dream. It is you who will make things change. It is you alone. And you are capable. You are able to do it. Just believe in yourself and you will see things working on. Anza tu kujiamini. Anza tu kusema naweza. Anza tu kusema kwa nini nilizaliwa? And what do God has in store for me? Na utafanikiwa tu. Mungu hawezi umba maembe. Mungu hawezi umba mjinga. Mungu hawezi umba mtu akijua huyu mtu nimeumba kwa sababu aenda asaidiwe na mtu mwingine. No. Sikatai kuna destiny connectors. Lakini let me tell you something. Success depends on an individual decision. Success depends on you believing in yourself first. People will support your dream, but it's you. It is you first. Look at Sifuna. Sifuna is not that Sifuna has followers. No. Sifuna has believed in himself that he can make it, that he can do it. That's why people are believing in him. Sifuna has been a senator and has never attracted such a crowd. But why do that crowd follow him? Because he has decided to become. Once you start becoming, you will attract. You will not chase. So have that spirit of attracting, not chasing. Unajua ukichase, tutajua tu. Kuna msemo kwa Kiswahili inasema, kizuri sijui chajiuza ama sijui ama alafu kibaya chitembeza. Wewe kama wewe sio mzuri utatembea watu wakuone. Lakini kama wewe ni mzuri, yani watu watasema tu hiyo ni mzuri. Kama uko na tabia mzuri watu watasema tu huyo ako na tabia mzuri. Kama una yani itajidhihirisha tu. Kwa hivyo stop this habit. Inamlet down tu. You want to grow rich? Learn how to grow rich. There are some characters that does not attract wealth. And that is the truth. Kuna tu kuongea ingine hautawahi badilika nayo. Kuna tu kutembea ingine hawezi badilika nayo. Learn how to behave. Learn how to keep secrets. Na uogope marafiki. Uogope kabisa. Uogope kabisa. They are not good. Friends are not good, let me tell you. One day you'll remember my words. Friends are good, but they are not the people to tell about your progress.